Hello and welcome to Joyful Tune-ins. And today we're going to practice clearing your space. So oftentimes in the middle of the day, we've got so much going on that we begin to feel overwhelmed and overburdened and stressed out. So we're going to give you a little tip on how to keep your space clear and to clean out your space if it gets too cluttered up with everybody else's stuff. You can handle your own stuff quite nicely, but when you try to handle other people's stuff, then it gets overwhelming and can cause distress physically in your body. So in your morning meditations, you open up the space above your head and below your feet and the space all around your body, creating sacred space, a place of safety and comfort. You can do a golden light, a white light, however you create sacred space. And simply tune in to your higher self, your Amakua, the Lord God of your being, your oversoul, your I am presence. And ask for it to shower you, to literally shower you with cleansing white light. And feel and envision it showering through your aura, through your chakra system, through your brain and your solar plexus, especially your solar plexus, which has a tendency to accumulate everybody else's stuff, plus your own stuff. And just let it wash away through you so that you begin to feel like you're a very clean and empty vessel of light or for the light. This is also another way to keep your channels open for bringing through higher dimensional knowledge and wisdom. So whenever you feel overwhelmed and too crowded, like too many people in my space, what you're going to do is disengage all human cords, all cords from the astral plane. Invoke the light shower of God and let it cleanse and purify your field for about 3-4 minutes, maybe even 5 minutes. And then ground yourself, center yourself, and then go about your day. Remember to drink some water. That always helps with integrating these energies from these activations. So we hope you liked your joyful tune-in for today. Have a great day.